Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to outline text in Photoshop 2025 step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create crisp, custom outlines around any text, perfect for graphics, social media headers, or just making your words stand out. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, you'll find this easy to follow. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is create and select your text layer. So grab the Type tool by hitting the keyboard shortcut T or just clicking the icon in your toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas, type the words you want to outline and pick your font and size. Don't worry about color for now, we'll handle the outline styling in a minute. Now make sure you actually have that text layer highlighted in the Layers panel. It's pretty easy to lose track if you have a lot of layers going on, so double check you're working with the right one. Next, let's get into blending options, which is where all the magic happens for outlines and effects. The quickest way is to right-click directly on your text layer in the Layers panel and select Blending Options. If you prefer menus, you can go up to Layer, then Layer Style and choose Stroke. Either way gets you into the same spot, the Layer Style dialog box. Some folks call this the Effects Control Hub because you can change so much here from shadows to outlines. Once you're in that Layer Style box, you want to add and customize your stroke, which is Photoshop's word for an outline. On the left, click on the Stroke option. If it's unchecked, check it and you'll see the settings pop up. The size slider lets you decide how thick that outline should be. Slide it to the right for a bold, eye-catching border or keep it subtle with lower values depending on your design needs. Now there's also a position dropdown. Outside, inside, or center. This controls where your outline sits relative to the text edges. Usually outside gives you the cleanest, most visible outline, especially if you want a chunky look. But try center or inside if you're going for something more stylistic or if you want the outline tucked in. When it comes to color, just click the color swatch and Photoshop's picker opens up. You can preview different colors before committing, maybe a bright red for urgent messages or a sleek black for a professional vibe. Take your time here. The right outline color can really make your text pop against the background. You'll also see blend mode and opacity. For most uses, leave blend mode on normal and opacity at 100%. If you want a softer effect, feel free to lower the opacity. Think of it like turning the outline's intensity up or down. Now if you want just the outline by itself with no filled-in letters, this next step is what you're looking for. In the same Layer Style dialog, go down to the Advanced Blending section and locate the Fill Opacity slider. Drop that all the way down to 0 and watch as the text itself fades away, leaving only the outline visible. It's a super handy trick for that hollow text look, maybe for a watermark or a stylish overlay. Some folks get tripped up here if they accidentally move the normal opacity instead, so make sure it's fill opacity you're changing. Finally, once you're happy with your outline's thickness, color, and fill settings, click OK at the bottom to apply everything and close out the dialog box. Give your canvas a look, you should see perfectly outlined text ready for whatever you're creating. And that's all there is to it. Outlining text in Photoshop is fast once you know where to find the settings, but it can add a ton of polish and impact to your designs. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there are other Photoshop effects you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.